Welcome to Tokyo. If you're planning a trip to Japan, you won't want to miss these 10 must-visit places in Tokyo. From the historic Sensoji Temple to the dazzling Shibuya Crossing, the city's energy is truly unmatched. We'll take you through the best spots, whether you're into culture, food, shopping, or nightlife. So, stick around as we count down the top attractions. Which place is at the top of your bucket list? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel adventures. Alright, let's begin. One, Sensoji Temple, Tokyo's oldest and most famous Buddhist temple, is located in Asakusa. Founded in 628 AD, it enshrines Kannon, the goddess of mercy. The Grand Kaminaraman, Thunder Gate, with its massive red lantern leads to Nakamai Street, a lively shopping street selling traditional snacks and souvenirs. The temple's main hall and 5-story pagoda exemplify classic Japanese architecture. A major cultural landmark, Sensoji hosts the annual Sanja Matsuri Festival and attracts millions of visitors seeking blessings and experiencing Japan's rich heritage. The temple, illuminated at night, offers a breathtaking sight. 2. Tokyo Tower, a 333-meter-tall communications and observation tower, is an iconic symbol of Japan's post-war recovery and modernization. Completed in 1958, it was inspired by the Eiffel Tower but painted in white and international orange for aviation safety. Located in Minato, it offers panoramic views from its main deck at 150 meters and top deck at 250 meters. The tower houses museums, shops, and an aquarium. At night, it's beautifully illuminated, with seasonal light displays. A major tourist attraction, Tokyo Tower represents Japan's technological advancement while remaining a cultural landmark in the heart of the city. Three, Ueno Park, located in central Tokyo, is a spacious public park known for its cultural sites, museums, and seasonal beauty. Established in 1873, it features Ueno Zoo, Japan's first zoo, and renowned museums like the Tokyo National Museum and the National Museum of Nature and Science. The park is famous for its cherry blossoms in spring, attracting thousands for hanami, flower viewing. Shinabazu Pond, with its lotus flowers and boating area, adds to the park's charm. Ueno Park also houses important shrines, including Ueno Toshogu. A vibrant cultural and recreational hub, it remains a favorite spot for both locals and tourists. Four, Tokyo Skytree, standing at 634 meters, is the tallest structure in Japan and the second tallest in the world. Completed in 2012, it serves as a broadcasting tower and a major tourist attraction. Located in Sumida, it features 2 observation decks, the Tembo Deck, 350 m, and the Tembo Galleria at 450 meters, offering breathtaking panoramic views of Tokyo and beyond. The tower's sleek design blends traditional Japanese aesthetics with modern engineering. At its base, Tokyo Salamachi houses shops, restaurants, and an aquarium. Illuminated at night with changing colors, Tokyo Skytree is a stunning symbol of Japan's innovation and progress. Five, Ginza is Tokyo's premier shopping, dining, and entertainment district, known for its luxury boutiques, high-end department stores, and vibrant nightlife. Once a silver coin minting area in the Edo period, it evolved into a hub of modernity. Famous landmarks include Ginza 6, Wako Department Store, and the Kabuki Zie Theater, where traditional kabuki performances are held. The district features flagship stores of global brands, Michelin-starred restaurants, and stylish cafes. On weekends, Chuodori becomes a pedestrian-only street, enhancing the shopping experience. Blending tradition and innovation, Ginza remains a symbol of elegance and sophistication in Tokyo. 6. Shibuya Crossing, one of the busiest pedestrian crossings in the world, is a symbol of Tokyo's vibrant energy and urban hustle. Located outside Shibuya Station, it features a unique, multi-directional crosswalk where hundreds of people simultaneously cross from all sides at every light change. The surrounding area is filled with neon signs, huge digital billboards, and high-rise buildings, making it a spectacle day and night. The crossing is a popular photo spot, often featured in movies and advertisements, and captures the essence of Tokyo's fast-paced, modern life. It's a must-see for anyone visiting the city. 7. Akihabara, often referred to as Electric Town, is Tokyo's vibrant hub for electronics, gaming, anime, and manga culture. Located in the Kyoto ward, it is renowned for its countless electronics shops, ranging from massive stores selling the latest gadgets to smaller specialty shops. The area is also a paradise for anime, manga, and cosplay enthusiasts, with themed cafes, stores, and arcades scattered throughout. Akihabara is also famous for its maid cafes, where waitresses dressed in maid costumes serve customers in playful and themed environments. It's a must-visit for anyone interested in Japan's unique pop culture and tech scene. 8. Takeshita Street, located in the Harajuku district, is a lively, colorful shopping street known for its youthful energy and trendy fashion scene. It's a hub for Tokyo's unique street fashion, particularly the vibrant styles that originated from the Harajuku area, like Gothic, Lolita, and punk fashion. The street is lined with an eclectic mix of boutiques, accessory shops, crepe stands, and cafes, attracting both locals and tourists. Takeshita Street is also famous for its Instagram-worthy spots, making it a popular destination for anyone looking to experience the cutting edge of Tokyo's fashion and youth culture. 9. The Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building is an iconic landmark in Shinjuku, known for its futuristic design resembling a Gothic-style cathedral. Completed in 1991, it houses the Tokyo Metropolitan Government's offices and stands at 243 meters tall with 48 floors. The building features 2 observation decks at 202 meters, offering panoramic views of the city and, on clear days, Mount Fuji. It's a great spot for free views of Tokyo's skyline. The structure is an architectural marvel, designed by renowned architect Kenzo Tange, and is a key part of Shinjuku's bustling, modern landscape. 10. Kabuki-cho, located in Shinjuku, is Tokyo's largest and most famous entertainment and nightlife district. Often called the Sleepless Town, it is packed with host clubs, bars, nightclubs, karaoke spots, and themed restaurants. Neon-lit streets lead to attractions like the Robot Restaurant, Toho Cinemas, and the towering Godzilla head atop a hotel. While known for its lively atmosphere, Kabuki-cho also has a red light district with host and hostess clubs. Despite its reputation, it remains a popular destination for nightlife, entertainment, and dining, offering a glimpse into Tokyo's vibrant and fast-paced after-dark culture.